Enter a world where raw steel meets unstoppable power, where these machines push beyond limits with precision and control. Built to conquer the hardest challenges, they deliver a stunning showcase of engineering brilliance. Prepare yourself for an intense display of force and mastery. Let the action begin. The Komatsu 951 dominates forests as a true power king. With 287 horsepower, 50,000 pounds of mass, and 50,000 pounds of pulling force, it crushes steep, muddy terrain. Its massive cutting head and ultra-strong hydraulics slice giant trees while handling multiple tasks at once with unstoppable precision. Feel the raw power of the Moorbark 1300B wood hog, driven by a Caterpillar C32 engine pushing 1,500 horsepower. Its 3-1-inch cutting system devours wood waste with ease, delivering precise, high-output performance while minimizing downtime and dominating the toughest forestry jobs. Feel the excavator roar, ripping massive stumps from the ground with unstoppable force and precision. Hit like and subscribe right now so you're locked in for the most powerful machines and extreme moments ahead. Hear the thunder as a logger's chainsaw rips through a towering cedar like a master sculptor. Every precise cut unleashes raw power, sending vibrations through the forest. Massive trunks fall with controlled force, showcasing skill, strength, and timing in a breathtaking display of man versus nature. The IMT 5106 roars with raw horsepower, digging in and yanking a massive stump loose. One brutal pull, and boom, the root tears free, launching dirt and power into the air. The Deere 640H powers through deep mud, hauling massive logs with unstoppable traction and balance. Built for extreme forestry, this beast dominates logging operations, moving heavy timber across brutal terrain with confidence, control, and raw American-style muscle. Meet the M&J 4000, an unstoppable force of industrial power. Its massive jaws rip through branches and debris, shredding waste into fine material with unmatched speed and precision. Built for efficiency and recycling, this machine turns chaos into clean, usable output. Comment 1 if you're blown away by the raw crushing power of the M&J 4000, or comment 2 if its insane precision and efficiency impresses you more.
Inch diameter blade and the 48-inch top saw is engaged. Powered Skagit winch brings logs from the mill pond to the log deck.
Step inside a historic sawmill still running almost exactly as it did 100 years ago. Massive blades roar to life, transforming raw logs into timber with timeless precision. It's a living piece of industrial history in motion. They struggle to drag the tree forward, every foot a fight against nature's raw force. Disaster looms as a nearby house stands on edge. Will human determination overcome the overwhelming power, or will the wild win this brutal test? A Valtra tractor grinds through deep winter mud in a soaked forest, hauling a fully loaded log trailer. Tires spin, engines roar, and every foot forward feels like a battle against thick, unforgiving terrain. Unleash raw power and precision with advanced machines built to conquer the toughest jobs. Without the right tools, delays turn into risk, chaos, and danger. Act fast, stay in control, and keep operations running smooth, safe, and unstoppable. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Watch unstoppable blades tear through roots, pulverizing massive stumps into dust in seconds. Raw horsepower meets razor-sharp precision, reshaping the land with brutal efficiency. This isn't just a job, it's a full-scale conquest of nature, where power, control, and timing collide in a breathtaking display. The John Deere 244G takes on the toughest challenges with power and precision, redefining modern forestry. Gliding over rugged terrain, its 360-degree cab gives pilot-like control, while hydraulic arms lift massive loads with ease. Heavy work transforms into a smooth, engineered performance driven by strength and smart design. Meet the titan of the forest, a massive wood drilling machine that bores through giant logs with inch-perfect precision. Built for extreme forestry, it delivers raw power and total control, redefining how heavy timber is handled. This isn't just a machine, it's dominance in motion, conquering the wild with unstoppable force. Wow, lucky moment. Sometimes power isn't always a good thing. Too much force, one wrong angle, and everything goes wrong. The tractor yanks the tree from the ground, then suddenly, it crashes straight onto the house. Own the Logosol B751, powered by a max 15 HP engine. It slices logs up to 29.5 inches, 751 millimeters, in diameter and 15.7 feet, 4.8 m long with ease. Ultra-rigid steel rails and Swedish blades deliver perfectly flat, millimeter-precise cuts. Smooth operation, high productivity, a true profit machine for any woodshop. This is dangerous. Meet the Nisula 425C, a versatile forestry powerhouse built for thinning operations. Smart NCU3 control automatically adjusts grip force. Strong when cutting, smooth when feeding. Less friction, faster processing. Precise, efficient. Built to dominate demanding forest work with speed and control.
Säästänyt aikaa tuon rungon osalla.
The Nisula 425C does it all, no attachment swap needed. Grab, load, and move logs straight onto the truck in one smooth flow. Fast, efficient, no downtime. It speeds up harvesting dramatically, turning long, heavy jobs into quick, seamless operations in the forest. You're witnessing a living legend of the timber world where classic mechanics meet human grit. A massive 4.7-inch, 1,200 millimeters, blade spins at 600 revolutions per minute, tearing through 29, 5-inch, 75 centimeters, logs like butter. And 1.1-meter rail carriage moves over 2 tons, smoothly powered by the perfect rhythm between machine and man. Here's what happens when tree cutting is done without proper safety gear. One moment of neglect can turn routine work into serious danger in seconds.
Oh no, it's on your fit!
Dominate every log with the Turbo 2023 sawmill. A rotating single-blade system paired with a 22 HP Honda engine delivers stunning cutting force up to 23.6 inches, 60 centimeter. Smart electronic controls slice hardwood up to 51 inches 1.3 with precision 1 operator, massive output, ultimate efficiency. Meet the Kobelco SK, 160, around 36,000 pounds, 16.5 tons of smooth, controlled muscle. Powered by 115, 120 HP, it's strong yet incredibly refined. Smart ITCS hydraulics react instantly to every input, giving precise control, especially when handling demanding attachments like root grapples or stump splitters.
The veins, a beautiful material that's coming out from the bottom of these. That's the gravel bank that I got to drop off right here, that bowl looking thing. They hogged the whole...
With a root grapple, the SK-160 shreds massive stumps in just 3-5 minutes. Fast, precise. It crushes ancient roots into debris, then shakes violently to strip away dirt and rock, leaving a clean, ready site in seconds.